Hi guys, good morning. Today what we need to discuss? Hmm? As soon as possible, you guys need to complete your all the payments first of all. That is the first point. Okay. Manoj, are you there? Manoj. Manoj. Can you please unmute and speak it out, Manoj? You can unmute and speak it out, Manoj. Manoj, I'm not getting the Google Classroom access. Okay. I think you are giving an access as a student. I want teacher access. So do that one now itself. Immediately do it now, yeah. Because I need to send out the documents today itself. You guys are cleared the payment, right? Did you get the Google Classroom access link? Right. You get it, right? You get it. You. Did you get the Google Classroom access? Then try to check with Manoj here. Not Manoj, Ajay. Ajay is there, right? Try to check with him immediately. You check with Manoj, Ajay. Okay. You have Ajay number, right? Just know he is. Check with him. Okay. You? Okay. Today I will share the documents, everything in the Google Classroom. Check it once. Up to whatever classes will happen, those all the documents. Understand? So yesterday in the last class we discussed like left pan options, right? What are left pan options are there? Report view, table view, model view, tax query view. These related things in the last class we discussed it, right? Okay. So this week, Saturday, we have a discussion on Power BI. That means up to whatever classes will happen. See, Monday to Friday classes will happen. On Saturday, we need to discuss Monday to Friday what classes will happen. If anyone having any doubts, and revision also take care their responsibility. Understand? So I will observe keenly, observe for offline people, everyone. Okay. So who are interested, for those people only can come here. Otherwise, don't come. Okay. But I'm strictly following until either Power BI or SQL Server, whatever it may be. Okay. Both you have to learn it properly. Until end of the particular Power BI as SQL Server class, if you just follow me, that's it. 100%, no need to again go back and learn Power BI or SQL Server. 100%. But whatever tasks I am giving up to date, you have to complete and show it to me, all the things. That's your responsibility. Understand? See here. So in the last class, we discussed like left pan options. In left pan, how many options are there? Those all the things we discuss it. Okay. Next one is coming to this in report view. There is a white page is there, right? This page we can call it as center part. What is that? What is that? Center part. Okay. Center part. Okay. Come here. You need to come here. You only. Yeah. Come here. I'm not able to see your face. Okay. So this is center part. Next one is there is a tab called filters tab. What is this? This is a filters tab. This is a filter span. Okay, in this filter span, what we can do, we are filtering a column values. Okay, here what we can do is just filtering a column values. Filtering a column values means, filtering column values means what? Selecting a column values is nothing but a filtering. Filtering means selecting a column value. Here, if you want to filter the column values, we have to use filter span also. But there are different ways of filtering. Here it is. Okay, you will have like in page level filtering, in report level filtering. If you want to use report level filtering, then we can call it as filter on all pages. Filter on all pages is nothing but report level filtering. Understand? Filter on all pages means report level filters. In report wise, what are all that means? Whatever filter you applied here, that means that particular filter is applied for all the pages in the report. That's the reason filter on all pages, or we can call it as report level filter. Understand or not? This is one way. Another way is filters applied only on a particular page. On this page means in this particular page only, if you want to apply the filter, then we have to use this one. Understand clearly or not? Okay, another one is also there. What is that one? Means whenever you select any particular visual, third option will appear, that is filter on this visual. What is that? Filter on this visual. That means in this filter span, how many options are there? 3 options. What are those? Filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all pages. These are the 3 different ways of filtering the column values. In all these 3, we can filtering a column values only, but behavior is different. Filter on this visual, whenever you are filtering, you are applying on filter on this visual, what will happen? The filters can be applied to this particular visual only. Okay, filters can be applied here, filter on this page. What will happen? The filters are applied on this particular page. That means in that particular page, whatever filter is applied, that filter is applied for complete page. That means in that page, there are so many visualizations we are using. For all the visual, the filter is going to apply it. Understand? Don't worry, there is a separate concept will be there for filters. At that point of time, I will explain you clearly what is filtering. With examples, I will explain you. But here, just what is filter? How many types of filters are there here? In filter span, what we can do? Just filtering a column value. Filtering column values means selecting a column values. Okay, selecting a column values is called as filters. Okay, in this filter span, there are 3 different types of filters are there. What are those? Filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all pages. In all the 3 options, we can filter the column values only. Okay, in all the 3 options, we can use filter on. That means we can apply the filters on this particular visuals only. Understand clearly or not? Is that clear or not? Okay, understand clearly or not? So in filters, what we can do? Filtering a column values. Okay, how many types of filters are there? 3 types. What are those? Filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on. Actually, by default, only two options are available. What are those? Filter on this page and filter on all pages. When filter on this visual option will be available, whenever you select any particular visual at that point of time only, filter on this visual option is enabled. See here. When I select any particular visual, then only filter on this visual option is available. Understand clearly or not? Any doubts in this one? Is that clear or not? This is about filter span. Next one is, see, actually in the right side, in left side, how many options are there? 4 options. Right side also some options are there. Some tabs are there. Okay. In that, so you will see an option called data tab. Another one is build tab. Another one is format. These are the 3 default. This is the recently this option is added. Okay. Understand? Another one is like customize. What is customize? I will tell you one by one. Understand? In right side tab, in right pan, you will have 3 different options are there. One is data tab, another one is build a tab, another one is format tab. Understand clearly or not? I told you, right? If some people you are not able to see this format, I told you yesterday, I think in the last class only, I explained you clearly what are all the options need to be enabled. Okay. I told you, right? What are the options? Under options and setting, under options, under preview features, what are the options we can enable it? Modern visual tooltips is the one option we are enabling. Another one is visual calculation. We are enabling that one. Next one is on object interaction. By using on object interaction only, this format will comes. Otherwise, by default, after installing, okay, you are not able to see same template. You are not able to see in your Power BI file. Means first you have to enable these 3 options. Understand? On object interaction only, it will display like that. Visual calculation means this option, new calculation related option. Understand or not? Okay. Model visual tooltips means drill down or drill through options for any. Wherever we are discussing about the, but by default, you have to enable these are the 3 options in your Power BI file. You already noted down all these things, right? Huh? Please don't forget it. Okay. So in right pan, how many options are there? 3 options. That is the default 3 options. What are those? First, data tab. What is that? Data tab. Next one is build tab. Next one is format tab. Understand or not? First, one by one, we can discuss. Data tab. In data tab, what we can do means whatever the data we are getting from the different data sources in Power BI, those all the data sets are available in this data tab. Understand? Suppose you are loading Excel data. That Excel data set is also available under data tab only. Okay. Suppose you are loading the data set called from SQL Server data set. That also it is available here. Whatever the data sets you are loading from different data sources, those all the data sets are available under data tab. Understand clearly or not? Under data tab only, all these data sets are available. Understand clearly or not? If you want to load all the data sets means, okay, if you want whatever the data sets you are loading, those all the data sets are available under data tab. So I'm loading initially. Suppose for example, I'm loading different data sets. Okay, don't worry. whatever data sets I'm using. Financial means sample data only, right? You know how to load the sample data in your system, right? In your Power BI file, load it. But remaining data sources files, whatever I am using, the same files I am uploading in the Google Classroom, check it once. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Suppose I'm loading Excel data. I'm loading Excel data. See here, I'm connecting Excel data. Okay. And I want to load see, after loading Excel data, that Excel data where it is available? Under data tab. See here, export. Whatever the data sets you are loading from different data sources, those all the data sets are available under data tab. In this data tab, data sets data, it is available. That means if you expand, these are first initially it is showing data set names. Initially it is showing data set names. Initially it is showing data set names. If you expand this particular data set under the data set, what columns are there? Those column names are showing here. Understand clearly or not? That means under each and every data set, what columns are there? Those column names we can see it here. Understand clearly or not? Okay. And who are coming to the SQL Server classes after 12 p.m. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, the regular class will be started. Today I will give you time for each and every one to practice it. Again, after Friday or like Wednesday or Thursday, I'm reviewing again. Understand? Please try to practice it. Okay. It's see completely depends upon it. All the education is different here and career is different. Now today only today you're taking entering into your career. So completely you have to focus on your career. Until you will get a job, you have to struggle more. Okay. And how you are struggle for applying government jobs and everything like that. See, that means not like years and years it will happens in IT industry. Okay. In IT industry, how many skills you have it, how much talent you have it, within fraction of seconds you are getting a job. If you are not learning anything properly and you didn't getting a job means it's your problem only. Once you get an opportunity, you have to utilize it. If you are not utilizing, it's completely your failure. All the enjoyments are done. Now completely focus on your career first. Only 2 years, enough. Okay. Within the 2 years, struggle more. Okay. Even Saturday, Sundays also sit together and try to improve your skills. Okay. And after 2 years, if you work hard like for 2 years, learning new skills, practice it properly and everything, that's enough. Until 20 years, you can survive with those skills only. 20 years. Always developer, when compared to the other roles, developer part is very, very easy. Okay. Because I have 15 years of experience in this IT industry. So I'm telling because I'm seeing all the things here. Okay. If you have a developer, like only daily, if you are a talent means you have a talent means like 2 hours is enough. Either you are choosing manager perspective or something means daily 9 hours they are continuously attending the meetings only. They're not doing any work. Continuously meetings. In the meetings, like n number of projects are getting from the clients. Our developer part is very, very easy when compared to the other related roles. Okay. Always try to learn multiple skills. Try to put your skills in the market and apply the jobs, get it, and after that learn something there itself and come out. So once you have getting a job in any company, don't stay there like 5 years, 6 years. If you stay there 5 to 6 years in one company, you are a waste person, 100%. You didn't have a talent, that's the reason you are not come out of that particular company. If you have a talent and number of opportunities. Okay. Minimum, if you are a fresher means 2 years you need to stay there. 2 to 2.5 years. After that, jump from the company. Whether whatever talent you have it. Okay. So you need to learn a new skills and come out of that company. From next time onwards, every 1 year you have to change the company, because companies will tell you how to grow from your side. That means in Techem, if you go to the Techem, they are teaching like as a developer part up to certain part. If you go to the change other company, they are teaching as well as a developer as well as functional side also they are giving a chance. Or managing the skills, how you can handle the client side or else these related things. That's the reason you have to change the different companies. Different companies are giving different opportunities. Okay. Like not only every time there are good people are there in different companies. They're giving a chances to you. Vijay is very good in development. Why can't we put Vijay in different way, like functional, architectural manner, like that? When they are putting like that, you will grow in that way. Understand? Don't forget it. All these things will happen. Even market is dull also. Like in the last 2 months, four people of students are selected. My students, 4 people are selected in the last 2 months. Understand? That means Vijay, how he is getting applying jobs, how he is getting calls and everything. See, luck is also there, practice is also. Whenever you will get an opportunity, whenever interview is scheduled, don't lose that particular one. That is the target you have to put it. Like that, you need to practice it and everything. Power BI SQL Server is very, very important in your career. 100%. Okay. So always completely focus on your career. Okay. So there are not only free SQL Server. If I have time, like remaining free classes also it's going on. So try to learn it. Vijay is shouting. That's the reason I'm not coming to the classes. Means it's up to you. Okay. Like this is not like Narayana Sri Chaitanya, why you are not coming. I cannot ask you. But caring the trainer is very less people are there in the Amirpet. So try to understand it, come here, learn it properly, go out. Understand? Okay. So let's continue the class. Okay. So data tab means whatever the data sets we are loading, those all the data sets are available under data tab. Okay. So initially dataset names only. Don't worry, this particular data source related one also I'm uploading in the Google Classroom. Check it once. Okay. So initially dataset names are showing here. If you expand any of the dataset, under the dataset, what it is showing? Column names. See here, under export, COGS is the column, country is the column, sales is the only column names only we are seeing here. If you want to see the data of this particular data set, means where you need to go? Where you need to go? Where you need to go? Table view. I told you, right? And 100 times I told you, like whichever data set you want to see it in a table format, that must and should you need to come to the table view. If you want to see only columns, means under the data type is enough. In report view, we can see only the column name, but you want to see under the column what data is there, everything you want to see it, means must and should you need to go to the table view. Understand clear or not? See here, suppose for example you are seeing the column, I want to hide my column. Then what you have to do, there is an arrow, right? Click on this one, then it will collapse. If you are seeing only data set, means see here, because initially you are seeing only data set name, but if you want to see under the data set what columns are there, if you want to see, means you have to click on this arrow. Okay, when you click on this arrow, it is expanded. Whenever it is expanded, any data set is expanded, under the data set what columns are there, everything we can see here. If you want to collapse it, collapse means if you want to see only data set name, then you have to click on this arrow. Understand or not? You know how to expand it, you know how to collapse it by clicking on this arrows only. Understand clearly or not? No. Next one is, this is data tab. Next one is build tab. In build tab, what it will be there? That means visualizations are there here. In build tab, visualizations you can see here. Okay. You can see the visualizations here. In build tab, you can see the visualization. See here, there are different types of visualizations here. There are different types of visualizations here. Okay. In build tab only, we can see the visualization. In build tab only, we can see the visualization. Understand clearly not? In build tab only, we can see the visualization. Whatever visuals we can see here. Okay. If you want to create a report, means what is required? Two things are required. First one is what is required? What is required? If you want to create a reports in Power BI, means two things are required. First, what is required? Data. Without data we cannot create. After data, what is required? Visualization. If you have these two, then only we are creating a reports. Understand? Data is required, visualizations are required. So that means, first of all, visualizations, where we can take it? In build a tab. Okay. First of all, what is visualization? Representing a data in a pictorial format is called as visualization. Or representing a data in a graphical manner is called as visualization. Understand? So if you in reporting tools, what is required? Data is required, visualizations are required. Visualizations are using for representing our data in a graphical manner. Understand? In a graph manner, if you want to show the visualization, then we have to use all these visual. If you want to show our data in a graphical manner, what are the things we have to use it? Visualizations are used. Okay. These are the visualization. There are different types of visualizations are there. See here, stacked bar chart, column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, everything. These are the different visualizations are there. Okay. Using these different visualization, you can represent our data in a graphical manner or in a pictorial representation. Understand or not? These are the visualizations are used. Whatever visualization, whenever you click on build a tab, whatever visualizations we can see here, these visualizations we can call it as Default visuals. What is that? When you click on build a tab, under build a tab, whatever visuals you can see here, those these all the visualizations we can call it as default visualization. Understand clearly? But in default visualizations, not only these visualizations, there are so many visualizations, other visuals are there. Understand? Because in Power BI I told you 250 visuals plus visuals are there. But Vijay, you are showing only 25 to 30 visual. What about remaining visuals? Remaining visuals are available in the market store. Okay. If you require to use those visuals, you can use it. Okay. Those visuals also you can use it. Not only these visuals, you can use those market store visuals. Whatever visuals are available in the market store, those visuals we can call it as custom visuals. What is that? Custom visuals. What are custom visuals? The visuals which is available in the market store, those are custom visuals. There are n number of custom visuals are there. 200 plus custom visuals are there. All the custom visuals are completely free to use it. Whenever you require the custom visual, simply go to the market store and load that particular custom visual into Power BI and you can use that one. Understand clearly or not? Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? So here in build a tab, by default visuals we can see. Okay. But if you want to load the custom visuals, means where you need to go? Market store. If you go to the market store, there n number of custom visuals are there. Those custom visuals, whichever you want, you can load that into your Power BI report. Understand? Vijay, why the custom visuals are placed in the market store? Why can't they place it here? If they are placing all the visuals here, what will happen? Power BI memory is increased or not? That's the reason they are not placing here. Only few of the visuals they are placing here, remaining all the visuals they are placing in the market store. Whatever visuals are available in your Power BI file, those visuals we can call it as default visuals. Whatever visuals are available in the market store, those visuals called as custom visuals. Understand or not? Let's see. Vijay, how can I load those custom visuals? Means, see here, below that there are 3 dot buttons, is there or not? Below that there are 3 dot buttons, is there or not? Click on this one. Okay. When you click on this one, there are n number, 4 different options are available. In that 4 different options, first 2 options are loading the custom visuals into your Power BI file. First 2 options are loading the custom visuals from the market store. Vijay, why 2 options? One is enough, right? Because see here, both are different. Behavior is different. Understand? Means if you click on get more visuals, what will happen? First, it will open the market store. And in their market store, there are a number of visuals are available. Whichever visual you want, you just directly load that particular visual into your Power BI file. Understand clearly or not? Understand clearly or not? Just when you click on get more visuals, what will happen? It will go directly open the market store. There we have n number of visuals are there. Okay. But for go to that market store, must and should credentials are required. See here. I already logged into this one. That's the reason it is not showing. Suppose now, if I click on get more visuals, what it is asking first? Credentials. See here, mail ID and password, everything it is asking. You have to give the mail ID. Click on continue. And after that, you have to give. See, so click on use another account. Give the mail ID again here. After that, password. At the time of creating mail ID, you know your created mail ID and password, right? So those only you have to use it here. Okay. When you click on initially, when you click on get more visuals, first you need to provide your credentials. I told you how to complete your sign up process and everything, right? So with that, you will have a proper mail ID and password. With that mail ID, you have to keep it anywhere in the safe side. And whenever it is required, it is asking credentials. You with that, with the help of those mail IDs, you can use that one. Like getting a custom visuals or uploading, you're moving a report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. In these two cases, only credentials are required. Understand? So first one is custom visuals. So how you can, when you click on get more visuals, first you have to give the credentials. After giving a credentials, what will happen? It will go to the market store. This is a market store. In this market store, there are n number of custom visuals are available. If you come down, see here, n number of custom visuals are available or not? Understand or not? N number of custom visuals are available. Whichever custom visual you want, all these custom visuals are completely free to use it. Understand? Whichever custom visual you want it, you just need to click on this one. Suppose, for example, I'm using Slicer. Slicer is the one. Okay. There is an option called text search slicer. So this is the one. Whichever you want, whichever custom visual you want, if you scroll down and finding your visual is very difficult. So that's the reason you have to type, you have to use the search option. If you know one or two character, type that one. Suppose I'm using slide. So I'm giving SLI. SLI related, what are all the custom visuals are there? It is available here. Whichever visual you want, you just need to click on this particular visual. When you click on this particular visual, you have an option called add. What is that? Add option is there. By clicking on that add option, this particular custom visual is added into. Click on add. What will happen? That particular custom visual is loaded into your Power BI file. See here, this option will comes here. Whenever the option goes, see here, custom. See, whatever custom visuals you loaded into your Power BI, those all the custom visuals are available below the default visual. That means here only all the custom visuals are available. Understand clearly or not? If you want to load your custom visuals, mean after loading your custom visuals, where the custom visuals are available, here itself, here all the custom visual. This is the place where we can put default visuals. This is the place where we can put our custom visuals here. Understand clearly? Like that, you can load n number of custom visuals. Suppose, see here, you already log into that one. So that's the reason next time it won't ask any credentials. Initially only it is asking credentials. Understand? Suppose for example, so here, I want this table related custom visual. Click on this one. What option you have to click on? Add. When you click on add, that particular custom visual is added. What is this one? Download sample. What is download sample? Means, see, the beauty of Power BI is, if you don't know any custom visual, how to use it. For each and every custom visual, they will provide download some option. When you click on this one, what will happen? That particular custom visual is downloaded. That means in this download file is nothing but it is a Power BI file. In that Power BI file, how to use this particular custom visual? In how many ways we can represent that? In how many ways we can represent our data in that particular custom visual? What are the different formats are available? All the things that it is available in the download sample. When I click on download sample, what will happen? Whatever Power BI file, whatever custom visual is there, that custom visual, that particular custom visual, how to use it? Okay, what type of data is required? They will clearly shows in a Power BI file. Okay, when you click on this one, automatically that Power BI file is downloaded into downloads folder. Go to that particular folder, downloads folder, and go to the downloads folder. This is the one. Okay. So go to downloads folder, and this is the one you have to open it and just understand how they are used that custom visual in this Power BI file. What data they are using in different formats of that particular custom visual, how we can represent. Just verify it. Understand clearly or not? See, some people are providing you YouTube or something like that. In YouTube, they didn't tell you what type of data you need to take. They will tell you how to use that particular visual, but what type of data you need to take and what type of columns you need to place it in that particular visual in YouTube or anything, no one will teaching you. Okay, if they are providing like this, what will happen? You can just to open that one. By seeing that, you will understand how you can represent your data. Understand or not? See here. So this is so in this Power BI file, this is a custom visual, right? What is this custom visual? Super tables is the custom visual. See here. That means there you can take any type of column. You can filter any value here. 103366. 103366. See here. That means directly you can filter the values. You can show it in a table format. Okay. You can place n number of columns. But after placing all the columns in a table format, you can show all the values. After showing the values, if you want to filter the values of that particular column, directly you can type it in this search box. For date related also, you can type it here. If you want to find anything on the product name related one, you just need to type it here. Automatically those related values are filtered. Understand or not? Okay. So this is the beauty of this super tables, right? Like each and every custom visual, same thing. Download sample option is there. If you don't know how to use it, just click on download sample. That particular Power BI file is downloaded. Open that one. That particular custom visual, how to use that in that Power BI, in that Power BI file, you have to verify each and everything. See, not only this step. See, open other pages also. See here how they are using. This is the visual, same. See, not see here in this one. Suppose if you go here in this table, just placing the columns. When it comes to here, along with the columns, need to give the different icons also we can give. See here. Did you observe this one or not? Icons. Up arrow, down arrow, colors also you can mention. See here. Red color. So here, this is the one. For this one, if you want to know what type of data they are taken, everything. See here, this is the one. This icon is getting from which column? Sample custard orders. So this is the one. See how the data will be there for this one. So these are the icons we are getting from Google or something. Okay. So see here. So what type of data they are taken also we can see all these things. These are the images. Okay. You can it loading from Google and they are placing here and they are loading those, they are showing those icons here itself. Understand clearly or not? Next one, comparison. When you click on comparison, see here, see here, category, product name, subcategory, quantity, like there are different types of quantities, sales related one. Understand or not? See here, anyone you can filter the values here. Like this, if you go to the different tabs, that particular custom visual, in how many ways we can represent it. Understand clearly or not? Okay. While going the class, please don't sleep here. I know who are sleeping. I don't want to disclose this matter. So don't sleep here, please. Okay. See here. Not only this one. Here, when you expand, you can create like a group. You can create like a group. That means you can place n number of things, region, state, and you can put a city. Like this, you can put at one. If you expand like first region, so under the region, what are all there? States are there. If you expand any of the states, you will see cities like that, because that, see here in this super tables, not only filtering table column values, we are placing like a group way, in a group format also you can place it. Understand clearly? But there is a drawback in this particular super tables. What is the drawback? Up to 100 rows only we can show. If you have less than 100 rows, then only you can use this particular custom visual. If more than 100 rows means this particular visual is not supported. Understand clearly? No? That's the reason always you have to use, if it is less than, better to use this particular custom visual. Understand clearly? No? Like this, there are n number of visuals are there. N number of custom visuals are there. For each and every custom visual, okay, see here, each and every custom visual, download sample is there. If it is required for you, you can click on add. If you don't know how to use that particular visual, then first you have to understand that particular visual means which option you have to click on. Download sample. You understand the difference between add and download? Add means that particular custom visual is added into your Power BI file. Okay. So I want this visual. I want to use this particular visual. Click on this one. Then click on what option? Add. If you don't know like how to use it, first you have to click on download sample and verify that one. After that, try to use this one. See here, click on download sample. Then no, it is downloaded or not. Again, open that one from downloads. Today I got an access, Google Classroom access. Okay. Today 100% I will share all the things. Okay. See, today I will share all the documents, index architecture, as well as today's Power BI document, as well as data sources also. Understand clearly or not? Don't forget it. Okay. See, if I'm using that particular visual, see how to use this particular one. What is this? Info River Analytics. See here how to use this each and everything there. They're clearly explaining you how this particular one is used. Okay, configure this one. Click on convert to bar, apply how it is. See the beauty of this particular one. Power BI is, even if you don't know how to use that particular custom visual, they will guide you. See, this is the one. In a screenshot wise, they will put here and they will show you how to enable this particular one. If you want to see this particular one, how to enable this one, see here in different ways it is showing. Understand clearly or not? Like this. So when you go to this different page, see in different page also how this is used, clearly they will show you. So see here. Understand clearly or not? Like that, there are different formats are there. See here, bullet format, how it is shown. Like that, for each and every custom visual download sample is there. First, you have to verify that particular download sample, how to use it, understand that one. Then you have to try to. If you know it, no need to require download sample. If you don't know how to use that particular visual, must and should you have to verify download sample. Okay, if you know how to use it, just click on add. That's it. Understand clearly or not? So whichever visual I wanted, suppose I want this visual, this custom visual, what you have to do? Add. Then that custom visual is added into your Power BI file. See here. 1 second, it is not added. Whenever the message is showing, this is the message it is showing, then only the custom visual is loaded. The visual was successfully imported into this. Understand clearly or not? Is that clear or not? Huh? Clear? Okay. In my class, please don't sleep. Okay. If you want to take something rest for 2 minutes, means go out, take rest and come back again. Okay. Like this, what are all the custom visuals are there? Those are all the custom visuals we can load it. See here, suppose I want to load this one. Click on this one. Click on add. Understand or not? Like this. Whatever custom visuals are loaded, those all the custom visuals are available here itself. Understand clearly or not? Huh? Like, so you understand get more visuals? It will directly go to the market store and load the custom visuals into Power BI. And this is also used for loading the custom visual, but behavior is different. Understand? How to load the custom visual means when you use this option, you cannot directly go to the market store. When you click on this one, first it will go to your local system. Okay, that means it will go to your local system, and there itself in your local system, any custom visuals are downloaded, those only you can load it. Understand? When you click on this one, it will not go to the directly go to the market store. It will connect to your local system. In your local system, whatever custom visuals are available, those visuals it is loaded. Then how to put our custom visuals into your local system means, see here, I will tell you. First, initially you don't use this option. Whatever custom visuals are required, those custom visuals, first it is there in your local system or not, you have to verify first. If it is not there, you have to download from the market store to your local system. Understand or not? See here. Go to Google. There you have to type like a Power BI custom visuals. What is that? Download. Understand or not? Huh? Type it. So there is a first option, business app, Microsoft app source is the option is there. Click on this link. When you click on this link, what will happen? In this one, see here, all this is the market store. Okay. From this market store, you have to download the custom visuals, whichever is required into your local system. Understand or not? Suppose I want this particular custom visual. See, in get more visuals, whatever visuals are available, same custom visuals are available here also. There is no difference in the custom visuals. Way of getting is different, right? When you click on get more visuals, it will directly go to the market store and load the custom visuals into your Power BI file. When you use to this import a visual from file means first you have to download the custom visuals from market store to your local system. After that only import a visual from file option you can use it. If the custom visual is not available in the local system, you cannot load that one. You cannot use import a visual from file. Suppose I want this custom visual. This custom visual, you have to click on this one and click on, what is the option? Get it now. Don't think like download sample. Download sample means that is the one, you know, right? how to use that particular custom visual. For that, you have to use download sample. But if you want to download that custom visual into your local system, means must and should you have to use an option called get it now. See, here also it is asking credentials. In Microsoft Authenticator, that 6-digit code is 2-digit code is entered. You need to enter. What is that? 156. Click on. Is it download into your local system or not? After downloading into your local system, then go to Power BI file and then click on import a visual from file. Click on import. It is asking whatever custom visuals are available in your local system. Those all you need to select it here. What will happen? Import successfully. Or you understand the difference between get more visuals and import a visuals from file? Huh? Understand or not? Okay. Is that clear? See, both are different. Don't confuse here. But you have to remember these names. Get more visuals. Import a visual from file. Okay. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Next one is remove a visual. What is remove a visual? Yeah. That means whatever visuals are there. See here. What these visuals called? Default visuals. We cannot remove the default visuals. Very, very important point is we cannot remove the default visuals. Okay. Please maintain running notes. Okay. Please. Okay. So I'm explaining 3 to 4 times each and every option. In any of the time, one of the time, you have to write it in a shortcut manner. I'm not saying complete sentence. Just ash means like a. Yes. You have to put like that. It's up to you. Put a shortcuts and write a running notes. Then you can understand, right? Okay. Whenever you, if I'm not there, if you just review that one, what that option is there, if you forget that one, that would be very helpful for you. Okay. Understand? Don't share the running notes to other people. Definitely. Okay. Always keep your running notes in a short manner. Write it in that one. Okay. That would be very, very useful for you. Okay. So now, can we remove the default visuals? No, we cannot remove the default visuals. Okay, only we can remove the we can remove only custom visuals, whichever your custom visuals are loading into your Power BI file. Those custom visuals only removed. Understand or not? We cannot remove the default visuals. We can remove only custom visuals. Whichever custom visuals are available in your Power BI file, these are the custom visuals, right? These custom visuals only we can remove. We cannot remove the custom visuals from the market store. We can remove the custom visuals, whichever custom visuals are available in your Power BI file, those related custom visuals only we can remove it. Understand clearly or not? See here. Suppose when you click on this remove a visual, see here, click on, see here, Which custom visual you want to remove, that you have to. Is it showing a default visuals here? Only custom visuals, whatever visuals are you're loading in your Power BI file, those custom visuals only we can remove it. Whichever custom visual you want to remove it, must and should you need to select that custom visual. If you are not selecting, remove option is not available. Must and should you. Suppose I want to remove this custom visual. Select that one and click on. Or suppose for example, one by one you can remove, or else once at a time you can remove multiple customers. How you can do that one? Using control plus click on. Using control plus click on. If it is at a time you can remove single means click on that. Select this one and click on remove. If you want to remove more custom visuals once at a time, then what you have to do? By using control plus click, you want to select like this. Just click on. See here. Click on. Those custom visuals are removed or not? Understand or not? Okay. Next one is restore default visuals. This is not required. Leave it about this one. This is about build a tab. Don't forget. Don't worry. There is a clear explanation will be there for build a visual. There is a 2 days class will be there for build a visual. How you need to create a visual. What type of columns you need to place it in each and every visual. How you can change the cosmetic change for of that particular visual. All 2 days class will be there. But just what is build a tab, I'm giving overview. That's it. Okay. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Next one is format. This format tab related, that related one, we can discuss it on tomorrow's class. Okay. Today SQL server class is not there. Okay. Today SQL server class is not there. Please complete it, practice and come back. Who are not practicing anything, please don't come to my SQL server class. Must and should you have to follow, that's it. Okay. Weekly once I'm verifying. Monday to Friday classes will happen. Saturday I'm reviewing Power BI as well as SQL server. So today I will share all the documents in the Google Classroom. Check it once. If you are not able to access the Google Classroom, for offline people, check with Ajay. For online people, check with Manoj. Understand clearly or not? Okay. So we can stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Online team, anyone having any doubts? Okay. So we can stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Bye guys.